Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see all disliked videos you have ever disliked on YouTube on iPhone. For example, if you want to see how many videos you have ever disliked on YouTube and if you want to see it, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to be watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now you have to simply go back. What you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in the App Store you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And after updating the app, you have to simply open the app here, and here you have to simply click on the profile. And if you want to see the like videos, they are available, but if you want to see dislike videos, there are no option available. So here you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to click on manage all history. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that new kind of interface is available. So here you have to simply find the option of interactions here. So you will find the option of interaction. So in interaction you will find video likes and dislikes. So here you have to click on that, and after that you can simply find all of your disliked videos with the liked videos here. So you can simply check for that. So in this way you can go for any video you have ever disliked or liked on YouTube without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.